Guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. I'm on my way out to go help a friend, and however I'll be back later because I need you guys help with something. I've been putting off this DIY project of painting my front door, and now that the holidays are here, I need to get this job done. So I want to paint the front door here. Also want to give the storm door a fresh coat of white paint and change the hardware on it. Same color, black hardware. This front door, I'm thinking of some sort of burgundy reddish color. I do have some samples to choose from, so I'll jump back on here when I get back, guys, and you guys can help me make the decision, okay? So I'll see you in a few. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm back. I have the paint samples ready for you guys to help me make the choice. I'm gonna put a clip in here showing you a picture of the roof. I didn't have any sample of the roofing to compare to when I went to Home Depot, so I took a photo of the roof and hoping that I could match it up somewhat. But it's kind of like a plumish burgundy color, maroon color I'm looking for, that would go well with the exterior of the house as well. So the first one I have, and as you can see, they do look similar in color. Yeah, the one on my right side seems a little darker, and the one on my left seems a little lighter than the other one, but it's like a plumish maroon on this side, and this is a little more plum eggplant color on this side. Ooh, okay, I spilled a little bit. Anyhow, I'm going to put this color first. Let's try the light one first. The light color is the Grand Plum. Let's see how the Grand Plum look, okay? I can do it from the top, as a matter of fact. I think I'm gonna like this one. This one's beautiful. We'll do it here. I hope you guys can see it from here. I'll do a square. A little square. I'll do one of the squares here so we can kind of see how it dries. I might have to put a second coat just to really see the color, but that's coat number one. Let me put a little bit more. Put it on a little heavier. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I like that color. I really like that color. Just add a little pop of color to the outside once you close the door. That's okay. It's all right from this distance. I hope you guys can see. There you go. Okay. So this is the plum, the Grand Plum. This color here, which is a little darker, is a carbon chip. That's the color, that's the name of it, carbon chip. So let's see how this goes up. And as you know, I use the Worcester's paintbrushes. They're like $5 at Home Depot. I love these guys. Okay. Or you can use a Dollar Tree paintbrush. It doesn't matter. I think I like this one better. I think I like the darker one better. It gives it a rich tone. It's like a rich tone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the darker one. I think I'm gonna go with the darker one, okay? Anyhow, I need you guys to comment below what's your thoughts? What color you think I should roll with? That's Chanel. She's barking because the window is open, so she sees my neighbors out there. Yeah, so she thinks she's a pit bull and she can kill the world. She's nothing but a little thing. Come here, Nellie. Come here. You want to meet the people? Come on, let's meet the people. Come on. Come on, let's meet the Golden Keys. Say hi, Golden Keys. Say hi, my name is Nellie. Look, right there. Say hi. Say, my name is Nellie. And I'm the one making all of that noise. Yes. Say, I need a haircut. Say, okay, guys, which one should my mommy choose? Say, which one should she choose? Huh? Say, is it this one or this one? And my other one is trying to get up here too. This is Dicey. Say hello. Say hello, Dicey. Say, my name is Dice, and I'm the other one. Yes. He's the much more reserved one, the lover, see? Yes. So you guys, I'm gonna need your help, guys. So I'm gonna need your help with this. If you do not mind helping me make the selection, and we're going to label 1A and 1B. So A will be the carbon chip. This will be A, carbon chip, and this will be B, Grand Plum, okay? So A, carbon chip, and B, Grand Plum. So help me make that decision. I'm rolling with this, I believe. This looks so beautiful. I like that color, okay? And the outside is like a tan color and white trimming and black trimming. I'll take a picture and put it at the end of the clip as well so you can see the outside of the house. So you'll know what I'm trying to do. Okay, guys? Anyhow, I'll see you next time when I have completed the door in another video, okay guys? But thank you for your help today. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please comment, please like, please share this video. And remember, I need you guys help in making this decision. I'm kind of torn because it's starting to dry and I don't know, but I'm leaning on A side, okay? I look forward to seeing your comments below as to which selection you think I should make. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.